Hi, so I'm Rupali Yadav. I'm working in Kinetic Green and I'm the part of the HR team for almost 2 years now. Onsurity has been with us for almost a first quarter now, so we have onboarded them very recently, and that's how Onsurity has been a part of KG now, and looking forward to a very happy and caring journey ahead. So at Kinetic, we always focus on nurturing the employees at its best, and this has been one of the reasons why we have adopted and opted for both GHI as well as GPA. So our aim is to always care and nurture our employees at its most, and therefore looking at our overall and holistic view, we opted for such kind of policy. So Kinetic Green has its employees scattered pan-India, right from HO to field to our plant at Supa. And now answering to the question, it almost doesn't take a lot of time. It's a one day process wherein we get the requisition of adding the employee, and it's there on the dashboard on the same day. They're activated on the same day, and everything works pretty well, and it's really time efficient. So Onsurity's application, dashboards and everything are quite efficient and user-friendly. Everything just happens in just one click, and all the sections, all the functions are really nicely bifurcated in the application as well as on the dashboard, and it's pretty easy for us to all navigate through it. We can see the different kinds of health benefits ongoing, the membership, for example. There are a couple of gym membership also available, so employees can cater to all the features which can help them elevate their good health and well-being. Onsurity has been really wonderful in terms of supporting and being there for the employees for us almost 24/7. There are spokesperson for every query that we have, and the support is relentless. We get a 24-hour care, and anybody can reach out to any of these spokes at any given point of time, and that's really helping us to take care of our employees and cater to their necessities and their requirements. So Onsurity is something that I would recommend to all the fellow companies, all the fellow organizations, and as well as the other sister concerns of Kinetic. I recommend Onsurity, and let's all go ahead and take it on board and build a happier and a healthy culture. Thank you, Onsurity.